Hi everyone, we are back again, and this time we are going to cook butter chicken by Bombay chef Varun.
Yep, his video has almost 50 million views, so that's promising, but we shall see because we had bad experience with Joshua's $2 butter chicken and it has 4 million views. So number of views doesn't guarantee anything.
So we follow exactly the same instruction. We marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, with all the spices as
Yeah.
per the instruction.
Yes, correct. And we done that, and then we proceed to frying the chicken. We did it all in one batch.
Yeah,
In
using medium heat.
Yeah, medium heat. Yeah.
Yep, fried until it's fully cooked.
Fully cooked, golden brown would be nice. So, yeah.
Right, so the chicken is done. We took out the chicken. The heat is still medium. Now we're ready to use the same pan to make the sauce.
Yep. All right. For our first ingredient will be onion. After onion, we put in the butter, tomato, salt, sugar, vinegar, chili powder, garam masala, cashew nut, ginger garlic paste, and then water. We'll cook this for 20 minutes at least.
So we're just following all instructions.
So once we cook this for 20 minutes, so the next step is to blend all these lovely ingredient. Now we put this in the bowl. We use the stick blender as what he has done. That was not a very good thing for us. We started splattering all over the bench top.
Yeah, as you do usually when you start playing with your hand in a stick. Eh? So after we clean up Mr. Bob Gur's mess, we decided to switch to regular blender and it works so much better for us.
So after blending it, we are sieving through the blended paste. And the next step is to combine the chicken and the paste together. So in the same pan, we are putting back the gravy and putting butter, more butter, and a little bit of cream, not as Joshua did.
Yeah.
And then we mix the chicken in together and
Yeah, well, after the butter is melted.
yeah.
Okay, just everything nice and warm and ready to be eaten.
Ready to be eaten.
Okay, let's give it a try. So, what do you think about this?
Oh, look, I think the cooking method is quite straightforward and the taste is brilliant. I can't fault anything about this butter chicken.
Okay, what's the score you're giving?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Okay, yeah, I really like this one. Definitely big improvement than the one we tried before. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. What did your partner think about it?
Well, she cleaned the plate, so it's 10 out of 10 for me.
My partner like it too, but for her it's just a 6. So all in all, I think on average it's pretty good. I can say 7 or 8. Yeah. So if you wanna do a butter chicken, do this one.
Yes, agree.